Today we're gonna make a delicious potato bread. And to make this potato bread, we're gonna start by boiling 5 golden potatoes. Then we're gonna need a cup of milk, 1 quart of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. The already cooked potatoes, and all-purpose flour. We're gonna start smashing the potatoes. Then we're gonna add the milk, the yeast, all together, vegetable oil, and the potatoes. We want to make sure the potatoes are broken down. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we want to add it little by little. 1 tablespoon of salt for taste on the flour. Then we're gonna mix it, and we're just gonna keep adding a little bit more flour. Then we mix it really well. It's okay if it feels lumpy, because those lumps more likely are the potatoes. So you still want to keep some potato chunks in it. Okay, once it's mixed in well, we're gonna let it rest in the container for like 20 minutes. And we're gonna get like 3 pieces of bread out of this. We're gonna put some flour in the liner, bottom and on top, and then we're just gonna press it down, giving it a nice form, like a pancake. And then we're gonna show you how to cook it. All you gotta do is just put it on the grill. Like 2-3 minutes on one side, and then flip it. And look how nice and crispy it looks. And this is our final result, guys. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.